we're about to go and have a little chat with a really cool up-and-coming artist called Yungblud. And we're going to talk about... we don't know yet.
Yo, it's Yungblud, hello.
Leave it alone, mate. She doesn't want to go home with you, home with you.
Have a chat today because you're doing some very cool stuff in music. We're going to talk about the impact you're making right now
100%.
and about your views on stuff. So maybe run me through your process so far with music, with what you're doing, with where you want to go.
Yeah, it's been pretty it's been pretty mad.
Yeah.
It's been pretty, it's just been amazing, to just, it's been a year ago since I put out King Charles' the first track, just with my management, and to be out here at Coachella, it's crazy.
What do you reckon it is that's made it all really move fast?
I don't know what it is for me, man. What's the sick thing for me is the connection with people.
Yeah.
So early. What's crazy is my Instagram, my Twitter, my DMs every day. People text me and say I'm really relating to music. It's providing me with answers. It's making me feel like I can speak.
Totally.
Because it's about stuff. Do you know what I mean? It's about things that.
It's real. I feel like with your music, when I first looked up your stuff and listened to Polygraph Eyes, was the first one I listened to, and you guys should check it out, it's amazing. But I really listened to the lyrics. It's so weird. I got the email about you, I looked you up, and the night before that I had this massive conversations with my girlfriends when we were talking about our youth and growing up and being taken advantage of, and when we were young we didn't realise how fucked up that was, and we used to just be oh no, it's fine,
whatever,
it's fine, whatever, that's what it is. And we were raging, all three of us were it's fucked, and no men get it. We love men, we don't want to hate men, men rock.
Men rock.
And I always used to say, I've spoken about it on my channel, it's stuff about, equality, feminism, women's rights, it's men too, you guys deserve a voice too.
That's what I'm saying, and that's exactly why I wrote it. Do you know what I mean? I think it was so important to me because I was like that. I was going out in the north when I was really young, and I'd see it happening, but the fundamental crazy thing was that it didn't resonate how wrong it was until I grew up.
Yeah.
And that was what I needed to write about, and yeah, man, it was just, I don't know, that's what I always want to be, and for me, man, I want to talk about real things. I just think that's been lost very much.
Do you feel though, say in your friendship group, how was it for you though, moving away from that space? I know growing up, having a voice and not fitting in, having your own style, and you're fucking loud and out there, and you want to make an impact. It's hard because there's so much social conformity. So how do you reckon, and what would you say to people in their own world? How do you voice yourself more? How do you find the confidence, or
I think it's just I just think it's kind of finding just being fundamentally yourself.
Yeah.
And I know that sounds easy, but it's you know what I mean?
I think it's an investment to make.
That's what I'm saying. It is an investment to make, and I think accept yourself for who you are and say what you think. Do you know what I mean? With my music, I don't want to tell people what to think because who the hell am I to do that?
No, but that's why I think it's probably had such an impact on people when you're raw and open and they can connect with that.
And
your yuck parts. No fucking humans pristine.
No, exactly, and that's it, bro. It's I never want to be an entitled artist. Do you know what I mean? I never want to do a show, get in a van, and then be driven off.
No.
I never want to do that. Part of the whole thing for me is connecting with people on a human level, because that's why I did it, because I write these songs because I'm angry and I want to talk about it. And if we say what we think, that's how we talk about it, and that's how we change it. Do you know what I mean?
Totally.
And it's just, it's been it's just blown my mind to see the reaction of that. It's
well, and
crazy.
I think what's great is that music, I feel for me, that's where I get all my inspiration. It's the most powerful thing. It gets stuck in people's head, it moves people, your emotions are linked.
Totally.
And that's why I think moving, artists moving forward, and that's why I reckon your shit's cool, and why people probably do connect is because you are you're creating a movement through your music.
Yeah, man.
Do you reckon moving forward more artists are doing that, or do you ever sit with some of your musician friends come on guys, let's start
That's what I'm I think, to be honest, I think there are things happening, but that's why I started talking about this stuff in music, because I think it's been a bit lost, man. There's no message anymore.
No.
Do you know what I mean? It's just bitch get down, or car and monies, or I love you so much I'm gonna shit my pants.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's I just can't hear that anymore.
No, neither. It's frustrating.
It's just frustrating, and it's cool, man. I just think I just want something that represents more than the music. That's why I love hip hop so much right now, because it's giving me the same feeling like the Clash and the Arctic Monkeys did.
Yeah, totally.
Do you know what I mean? And
That's what we said. I was talking to Yaz and we were like, Arctic Monkeys.
oh yeah, man, I love, like, I grew up on them, man, like,
Totally.
Alex Turner was one of the, like, between Alex Turner and Eminem, when I was growing up, like, they were the only two people who got inside my head.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, how do you...
They didn't give a fuck. Like,
Yeah.
they're doing it.
Exactly, and fundamentally, that's why I love artists like Lord. As an artist, you got to push boundaries to move towards it. Like, to move towards a better thing for me. That's what my opinion of what an artist is. If you're not out there to try and change something, or if you're not there to try and make an impact, then you're not an artist, you're a singer.
No, totally.
I don't want to be a singer.
Do you find that you've got influences around you trying to be like, you should do this, you should look like this, you should...
Do you know what?
Or you've actually,
you know what?
you've like, got a great
It's been
team.
so amazing, like my team are just...
That's amazing.
That's what's so amazing about my team, they're just like...
Yeah.
And it's just like, cause it's so easy to kind of... Because I moved out of London at 16, and I got a management team, and they were just like, yeah, I'll do this, do this, do this, do this. Flutter your eyes and look pretty for the girls, you know what I mean? And then, but that just becomes vapid for me.
You fucking lose your soul in it, dude. Like, it's
Exactly,
not fun. You're
man.
like,
It's
why
just
am I
like-
doing this?
Exactly, and it's just, I don't know, man. Like the team are just so amazing. They're just like, yeah, do what you want to wear, what you want to wear, talk what you want to talk about.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's just sick.
We were talking about it. You're coming out to Australia.
I can't wait. I can't.
And I'm like so excited. Like favorite festival ever. Why do you? And he was telling us you love Australia. Like what? I feel like I listened to your music and I like said to Yaz, I was like, this is like anthem. I picture like, you know, Australian crowds. They're like,
yeah, that's.
I can just hear it here, and I'm just like, it's gonna.
That
be
was it, man. Like
so great.
Australia was like one. Like I went out there obviously like for a week last year.
You were only there for a week.
Yeah, we were there for like 4 days. Like no joke.
Wait, you have to stay longer.
I know, I do,
Shit.
I do. But it was like, I don't know, man. Like you guys, I instantly took to it. You guys instantly almost took to my music, and I had a really good time there, and I love it. I don't know why. I think it's just like it's a friendlier England.
Totally.
Everyone's so friendly. I think it's because the sun's shining all the time.
Yeah, it's the sun. And everyone, I feel like people, at least for me and my demographic, and because like online, I'm like you. I'm like, why am I doing this unless I'm making an impact somehow?
Totally.
But I think people there like pick up to it so much and like, fuck yeah, like talk, like let's talk, like get into it. And I feel like they are pushing boundaries. What do you want to like try and inspire? What's on your mind right now in terms of like world issues you care about or
That's
human
it, man. I
issues?
think like so there is an album coming.
Cool. When?
Like in the next couple of months.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm about to yet. Because of corporate bollocks, I'm not allowed to say.
He's like, shut your mouth.
Yeah, it's literally about so many issues of young oppression and problems all around, and just what I've seen.
Thank fucking God, man.
I can't wait. I'm so
it's so refreshing.
I'm
You have
so
no
excited.
idea. Like, it's so
excited.
refreshing because it's like my one frustration. Like, I literally was sitting talking to him for so long, just being like, and it's like music's more powerful. It's so powerful.
And that's it, man.
It's
And the thing about it, that's literally it. And I'm just so excited to release it. It talks about so much, man. It's like
what do you touch on?
Like I touch on like gun law in the US. I touch on
I
racism.
think I've seen on your Instagram like a bit. You're like very passionate about
yeah,
that.
man. I just think for the sake of humanity, man. Like,
Totally.
Do you know what I mean?
It's
It's just crazy. I just can't buy a beer, but I can buy a gun at my age.
Yeah, it's fast.
Do you know what I mean? That's like what?
Yeah.
In one of the, you know what I mean, the leading country in the
Totally.
world. You know? But yeah, and then literally so much. I'm gonna save it because I want it to kind of want people to like, oh, that's what it's about.
Yeah.
That's what it's about.
Yeah.
That's what it's about. And
Feel their own.
and that's kind of it. It's kind of, I'm so excited.
I'm excited.
Yeah, man. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait.
That's all.
Sick puppies.
Thanks.
Look
Have
at
a
your
little
trousers,
chat.
man. They're dope. Like,
You could rock these.
I would rock them.
I feel like we
Do
could
you want to swap?
do an outfit switch.
Outfit switch.
Alright, well you guys should check out Yungblud's music and listen to the lyrics when you listen to the music because it's very touching and yeah.
Sick. Woo!
Okay.
Thank you so much. Amazing.
Taking your car now, sir. We're just taking your car now.